Throughout history, music has been intertwined with spiritual practices, particularly in the rituals involving Goetic demons. These musical elements serve as gateways, creating an atmosphere conducive to evocation and summoning. Chants, often containing the names of demons, are believed to resonate with their essence, enhancing the practitioner's ability to connect with these entities. The rhythmic patterns and melodic structures establish a trance-like state, allowing for deeper focus and intention during rituals. Specific musical keys and tones are thought to invoke different energies, with minor keys often associated with darker entities. Additionally, repetitive chanting can alter consciousness, making practitioners more receptive to the presence of the Goetic demons. The use of instruments like bells, drums, and flutes can aid in drawing the attention of these spirits, as the sound vibrations travel through the spiritual realms. These techniques are not merely traditional. They continue to influence modern occult practices. Contemporary practitioners adapt age-old music and chants, blending them with their unique styles, demonstrating the enduring power of sound in the pursuit of spiritual contact with the Goetic realm.